Welcome to my video introduction to IELTS Synonyms, your key to mastering the art of understanding and utilizing synonyms effectively in the IELTS exam. In this video, we'll delve into the importance of synonyms in the IELTS exam, strategies to enhance your synonym skills, and practical examples to solidify your understanding. Firstly, why are synonyms crucial in the IELTS exam? Well, synonyms play a vital role in demonstrating your language proficiency, particularly in tasks such as reading, writing, and listening. Whether you're deciphering complex texts in the reading section, enriching your writing with diverse vocabulary, comprehending spoken passages in the listening section, or articulating your thoughts fluently in the speaking section, synonyms can significantly enhance your performance. So, how can you sharpen your synonym skills? It's all about practice and employing effective study techniques. Flashcards, word association exercises, and contextual usage are invaluable tools in your arsenal. Let's take a look at an example. In the IELTS reading section, you may encounter a question like this. The word extensive in paragraph 2 is closest in meaning to. Your ability to identify synonyms, in this case, a word with a similar meaning to extensive, can make all the difference in selecting the correct answer. Remember, mastering synonyms isn't just about memorizing lists of words. It's about understanding nuances in meaning and context, which comes with consistent practice and exposure to varied sources of English. Ready to elevate your IELTS preparation with enhanced synonym skills? Contact me today and embark on your journey towards exam success.